Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Everything for Us. My name is Angel. Today I am going to be doing Ajio haul. I bought couple of items from Ajio with 70% discount and it is very good, and these are all the items which I bought. I think this is the highest discount we can avail from Ajio website by using the coupon code TREND70, and I have bought all branded items so that it lasts for longer time. I will show you one by one. So the first one is a kurti which I bought. This kurti is pure cotton one and this is orange color. Orange plus pink mixture actually. It's not a bright orange or it's not a pink, but it's a mixture kind of dress. And here the highlight of this kurti is the tassels which they have kept in the neck, and it has round neck, and on the front part they have kept these tassels in two different colors, which is really looking very nice. And all over the fabric it has that symmetrical dots which is of off-white color. It is really looking nice, and all the four dots across the fabric. And the hands, it is actually, it's not 3/4 or not small sleeve. The sleeve reaches until the elbow, and on the edge they have kept different color of fabric inside, and on the top you can see there is a cut as well, so you can fold it and keep it also. I have kept the kurti on the bed so that you can see the length. It is actually full length kurti, and it is reaches until the anklet if you're 5 feet height, and on the bottom there is no other design. It's same design it is there, so we can even cut and adjust as well. So this kurti has that provision. If there is any different design on the bottom, then it would have been difficult, but this is really good. But here it is really wide, so if we need to do an adjustment, putting a tuck will not be a feasible option, but we can adjust through the sides, only through the sides, because of this umbrella, what is it cut called, this frock stitching, frock kind of cutting. It is coming with the frills. So here in middle we cannot put any tuck, it will be looking odd, so we can adjust from the sides, so that will help us to adjust. And coming to the stitching part of this kurti, as you see there is an overlock they have given, and the stitching is also not bad, it is really good. And they have kept the this sign for their brand, which is Avasa. And going to the next item, I have bought t-shirt. This is actually dark blue, that is the navy blue and red. In the camera it's looking little orangish, but it is actually red, and it has stripes, and there is a small pocket as well. And this color combination I really like. This is really bright, and this is Team Spirit brand. I bought it for 160 rupees, and with the same discount, trend 70, I bought it. And the original price, if you see, it is 499. With the discount I bought it for 160, which is a very good deal. And this t-shirt, it's quality wise it is amazing, and I really like this product. And coming to the next item, this is also a t-shirt. This is a sports t-shirt. I bought it for my daughter, and so we can use it n number of times, and multi wash is also possible. Nothing will happen to this fabric. This is really stretchable, and this is from Performax brand, and the quality of the fabric is really amazing. And this is very stretchable. Even if you're fat, you can use it. In when you are lean also, you can use it. This material, it will come for 4 to 5 years, and if you buy a bigger size, and when your kids grow, you can use it really. And this fabric is kind of a fabric which dries quickly, so that you can wash multiple times and use it. The original price is a little high for this material, 599, but with this 70% discount, this is a very good deal. If you go to the shops, you would have noticed all these kinds of fabric is very costly. You will not get it for 200 or 300, but online, when the sale is going on, you can really buy it. I don't find any small mistake in this dress. It is all stitched perfectly. So going to the next item, this is a top. I bought it short top it is, and this is from Fig brand. I am first time I am buying this brand actually Fig, but the brand and the material is looking really nice, and the stitching, the normal a different kind of a cutting they have put for the neck, and there is a small elastic in the middle, and this fabric is kind of a jumpy kind of fabric. It's really nice, and then hand also in the sleeves they have put three elastic so that it will stay tightly on our hand, and it has that puff kind of stitching which is really good. And in the neck, if you see, it is a little wide neck, it's not very small, and the stitching is also nice. This is the elastic which I was talking about. In the middle they have put it, so it shows the different design there, and the floral design, it is really nice. And the stitching, if you see, this is nicely stitched, and it has overlock as well, so we don't need to put any extra stitching for this, and it will go very well with the jeans or even with the skirt. It goes very well. The fabric is really good, and the stitching, even the bottom, it is really done nicely, and it has small stitches, so it will not go easily. And the fabric, the design, and the multicolor floral design, it is really giving a nice look, and it will go very well with the plain maroon color skirt, or with the denim jeans also. It goes very well, and it has that orange small flower kind of a design which is looking very nice, and we can use it and wash it multiple times, so it lasts for a long time. And coming to the next item, this is again a t-shirt. This is from Team Spirit. Again, I bought this for 160 rupees. When you buy this kind of a dress, you need to really look into the stripes, whether the stripes are actually matching with the other side pattern or not. Here in the hand you can see that there are three stripes, and all are in the same direction, or it is matching exactly where it is supposed to be matched. I bought XX size for my daughter, because for 160 rupees it is very good deal. If you go to kids section and if you try to search, this price is very high. So I bought it from the normal section only, and the stitching is also perfect, and the material is also very nice. So I really like this product of Team Spirit brand. Going to the next item, I bought a frock. This is actually a single piece frock. It is a lace dress actually. It was my long term wish to buy like this kind of a dress, and normally when we go to shop I used to see this, but it is very costly, so I just thought, why to waste this much money on a single dress, so I didn't buy till now. So now when the sale was going on, I noticed this dress is also available, and I was searching for red one, but I didn't get red, only orange was available. This is the color actually. With the light it is changing, but it is an orange color, and the lace is really nice, and it has a lining as well, and this lining is a thick kind of that banyan cloth, what we call it as this kind of a chudidar used to come long years back, but this one, it's really looking nice. It's a very good quality material they have put, and the stitching is also very nice. They have kept hidden sib here, so you will not even notice that there is a sib here, and there is a button again, so that you can put it so the sib will not go down as well. And the stitching of this button is it's nice actually, and they have kept one extra button as well. If it is goes, we can use it. And this is from the brand Fig, and the original price is 1299, but I got it with a very good deal, and I'm not sure whether this sale is still going on, but you can have a check. When you buy a branded item, this is the advantage. They will give you perfect stitching, and the same kind of stitching and the same kind of quality. If you go to the local shops wherever nearby, you can easily, you need to spend 1000 plus, but whereas I got it less than 500 rupees. It is a very good deal, And here you see the quality of the stitching. Normal buttons, whenever you buy, if you pull it, it comes off, but here it doesn't come. And the button is also very nice, and the hook, it is with elastic, so you can even stretch it and put it. And the elastic and the quality of the zip, everything is really looking nice. I will show you the length of the zip. So it comes under until here. So it's very long. So even if you're fat, you can remove it and put it. No need to worry. And it is really stretchable material, so that you can wear it very tight also. And even if it is loose also, you can use for many years. And the quality of this fabric, the net fabric or the lace fabric, it is really nice. It is very thick and it's heavy as well. And you can see the thick line going on, that is actually elastic stitching. On top of it, it has the highlight, that kind of 3D projection it is showing. It's really nice. And this fabric, I'm sure that this material itself will cost more than this original price whatever I paid for this fabric. And the stitching is also very nice, and this design is also looking very nice, and without the lining also it is looking nice. And the highlight is the sleeves. It has no lining and it is looking very nice. It is the full length sleeve, and I really like this product. Going on to the next dress, it is a top, black top, and it has dots all over the fabric. And the dots, if you see, it has multicolor, like it has orange, blue, white and yellow. So it really gives it's a kind of what is it called, the handmade dots it is, or each and every dot it's looking different. And the stitching is nice, apart from this over double stitching. So in some places it is all looking nice, a small stitch only they have put. And this is actually the original price is 799. This is very it's a cotton, actually it's kind of a soft cotton, very soft this cotton is. And the stitching and the overlocking, everything is good, and we don't find any complaint or something. But this buttons, it is looking like a wood button, but actually if you see, this is not wood, it's a plastic, thick plastic button. And they have stitched with hand as well. And the it has openings everywhere, so it's not closed. And with the button, it has we can close it. And the gap between the buttons, if you see, it is very near. So even we can use it like this only, and it will be helpful for the feeding mothers actually. And they have given one more extra button, and if it is goes anyone goes also, we can put it. And this again, it has a frock kind of stitching. In the middle they have a cut, and they have put the stitching. So in the bottom, this is a round cutting they have put, like an umbrella cutting, but it's not so wide, but it is really looking nice. This goes very well with the legging, any color of this legging we can choose, or even it goes very well with the jeans as well. And the sleeves, it is 3/4, and this is a plain design. And coming to the next dress, this is a pant, actually it's a track pant. This is again from Performax brand, and the original price is 699. Why I bought this dress? Because I have been buying dresses for 200 and 150 for my daughter. What happens, after 2-3 washes it goes off. So, and when they sit on the ground, and after multiple washes, this doesn't last for a long time. So I thought this time I'll buy something which is very good quality, which comes for at least 3 to 4 years. So I bought little bigger one. So this is from the normal ladies section I bought it, not from the kids section. Kids section, it's very costly. You can see the quality of this fabric, it's very nice. And this is a what is it called, a track pant, which normally the sports people use it. And this is from Performax brand. Everywhere you can see the symbol as well. And the stitching and the quality, it is really amazing. And it is really thick fabric, it's not very light or something, and it's a smooth fabric. You can wear it in summer, winter, any season. And it has a big elastic, and it has a tie as well. So even if it is loose, you can tie it with the tie. And when you grow up, this really fits. And the design in the bottom, it is a different design. I really like this product, and the color I chose the dark one so that even the dirt comes, it will not be visible at all. We can use it for long years. And the length is like this, so for kids it will come until the anklet, and this will look like a frock, but adults it will be a tight normal pant. Going on to the next item, this is a t-shirt. Again, it's a gray color t-shirt, and it is again from the Team Spirit. And I have bought a couple of t-shirts because I spent 160 each, and the design, it's really nice. It has stripes, and on the top, if you see, it has 3 stripes, and it's coming to 2, and it's single. Only one thing we need to ensure when we buy this, the designs, especially when it comes to this kind of pattern, we need to ensure these patterns are matching. So in the sleeves you can see it's the patterns are exactly matching each other. And the stitching, as you see, it is really stitched nice, and it has overlock as well, so you don't need to worry about stitching. And the quality is really amazing, and I like this product actually. And this fabric is really smooth and sober, you can use it anytime. This is again the same kind of fabric, but only the color is different. Here it's black and white, the other one was gray. And here also you can see the pattern, it is exactly matching. And again, here also stitching is really nice. If you cross check with your normal local brand t-shirts where you buy for this 150 rupees, you can really see the difference. This is 160 I paid. This is really good, we can wear it home, outside, everywhere you can wear it, but I bought this for wearing at home. Next item is a pant, and this is ivory color, little more dark like sandal color, and this has a lace as well as a design in the bottom part. And this is again this was one of the item which I was waiting to buy, and whenever I go to shop, this I found it very costly, especially this good quality lace. This always goes about 700 rupees just for this pant alone, so I didn't buy it all. But this time I got it with a very good discount, and I was thinking if the quality is not good I will return, but after receiving it I really liked it. If you see in the front portion, the stitching, it is really nice, no frill in the front, and the original price you see 899. This is what I said, even if I go to the shops and check, this will be the price. Maybe they will give another 20 percentage discount, but not 70 percentage. And in the front, even if it is no, if you're fat also, because of this stitching, this will stay nicely. And in the back side they have put the elastic, so this will look really perfect in the when we wear it. And on the bottom part, the lace is the highlight. And this is, the fabric is also really good, it's not a light fabric, it's a really thick one. And the lace, you see the quality, this is really nice, and it is very thick, and it's very heavy as well. And this has a flower kind of a design on top of it, has a flower design. And the stitching is also amazing. This lace designs, if you take the normal low quality one, the lace, the thread will go off, but here you can see the stitching. I will just put one and show you. This is really nice, the stitching inside they have put it, and they have kept the overlock as well, so this doesn't go at all. See the stitching, double stitching they have put it along with the fabric. Even if it is so lengthy, we can actually remove this lace and use it with the other design, that embroidery design itself. So this is really nice, because both the designs, embroidery as well as this lace, gives us a nice look. And this fabric is, as I said, it is really thick, and if we wear it with high heels, it will really look nice. And that's the reason I like this product. And we will check the other product. This is again a track pant. This is same like the one which I showed earlier, the like the black one, but it's the color is different here, but the material or the quality or the fabric or the brand, everything is same. It is again from the Performax brand. And here you see there is just to show the quality, the zip itself, you see it's very nice. And the stitching is also really nice, and this is all again Performax. You can see the brand symbol they have put it on the bottom. Again the same different design they have put it in the bottom part, same as the old fabric, all the design. And here is also, it is green here, the other one was having orange one. And the zip, it's really quality one, and it's a small pocket is there. You can keep a kerchief or something. It's really a small one. Just to show the quality, you see the zip quality. The normal zip, if you see, they will keep a plastic one, but here the metal one with the cover they have put it. I really like this fabric, and even see the stitching and the fabric, it is like a big elastic they have kept it inside also. You see, it will not hurt at all, the stitching. This is really nice. And I will show you the next item. This is a pant, but it looks like a skirt actually. So this has a name, but really I don't know, some cutlos or something. So this one, it is really looking nice. This is a green in color, and it has a tie, so you can here you can tie it like a bow. And in the front there is no elastic, only in the back side they have kept 3-layer elastic. This is a big elastic, and they have put the stitching, so this will stay very tight. And in the front you can see the pleats they have, kept it. It's really nice. And this fabric, this is a soft and sober kind of a fabric. This is very delicate actually, so when we wear, we need to be very careful, otherwise it will stick here and there, and then it will damage the cloth as well. Stitching is very good. They have put the normal very nice stitching, and overlock also it is having. In the bottom you can see the small stitch they have put, so that it stays proper and doesn't go as well, and it lasts very well. And this original price of this fabric is actually, this material is 799, but I got it for discount, so there is no problem. And the next item, it's a shrug. It's a nice no, latest fashion shrug actually. And this is again, it is 599. The normal shrug, even if I buy it from the local shop, I will not get less than 500 rupees. And this is again from the brand Fig, and the fabric, I really like this material. This is very soft, and it is that flowy kind of material. It's like a slippery material, and this will look like this. You see, it's a fashionable one, and I got this for 300 rupees. You will not believe, you will not get this kind of a nice dress with 300 rupees at all. I actually ordered two, but unfortunately the other one did not get delivered at all. I'm not sure, like this it happens. So if you are experiencing the same thing, maybe you can complain, but dealing with this customer care is the biggest pain. But apart from that, if you get the dresses, it is really nice. So I really paid it in advance and booked it. But if you are ordering it, book it on cash on delivery, so that even if they don't deliver, it's not a problem. And the fabric, the quality, it is really nice. I like this product a lot. Maybe I will put after wash review as well, because this is the first time I am buying this Fig brand. So maybe I will wait for 2-3 weeks, and again I'll put the after wash review also, so that I can give you more about this fabric. And this has a tag which comes normally with the branded items alone, and this will help us to hang it in the hanger, so this will not fall, because this is a slippery material. So if you put it simply like this, it will fall. And that, to avoid that, they have kept the tag. It's a strip, you can put it in the hanger, so it will stay in the hanger itself. The next kurti is, this is a long kurti. I really liked it. It has a high neck, and it has a mandarin neck, mandarin collar it is. And then the center part, they have put the buttons as well. It's non-openable. And the sleeves are really nice. I like the sleeve because until the elbow it comes full covered, and after that there is a cutting. And the maroon color fabric, whatever they have kept it in the sides, it's really giving a amazing look. And in the front part, they have kept the buttons. Though it looks open, but it is non-openable, and only the top button you can remove it. And this mandarin collar along with this buttons, it is really giving an amazing look. And this is a wide kurti. It's an umbrella cutting, I would say, but it is a long kurti. And the pleats here, if you see, there's a 3 layer material they have put it, and it is this cutting they have done it in a different way. The centerpiece comes all the way down, and only in the sides they have put this. So in the front it will not show at all any frill, nothing. It's a long piece in the middle. And the fabric, the different three designs in the same color combination they have kept it. It's really looking nice. So you can see the length, it is a full length. I put it in the bed, and for 5 feet people it will come even until the no floor. So this is like that. And this material, it is rayon, so the color will not go. And this color combination, this mustard yellow and maroon, it is really looking nice. And on the bottom they have kept different maroon fabric. This is again unstitched. If you see in the sides, it is uh, f- um, without finishing they have kept it. So this gives a different look actually, but I have never bought any dress like this. I'm not sure whether the fabric will thread will go out from there or not, but it is really looking nice. I think for tall people it will really look nice. I have ordered small size, but it's fitting. So if medium is loose for you, then the small is the best option. This is really fitting me. And this has a nice shape also. In the side you see, you don't need to adjust anything because of this kind of a cutting and stitching. This is really nice, and we can even adjust in the front or sides as well. And the back side, it you can see it's the same fabric. In the neck, it is a thick fabric they have kept inside, that collar canvas they have kept inside, so it stays properly. And even if it is not staying properly, here only button is there, on the top there is no button, so it will look a little open as well. And because it's high neck, you don't need to worry about anything. And the bottom, you cannot remove the buttons at all. And coming to the stitching part, you see it's stitched very nicely, and it has overlock as well. This fabric, even though it is there is no stitching on the edges, but I don't think it will go. It is looking really nice, but after wash maybe I will give another update about this fabric. And the last item what I bought is a bag. This I bought for a gifting. So this is I was thinking there is two color, and one is orange and yellow combination and black and white. Unfortunately other one got out of stock, and this was only available, and I bought it. I was not sure about the size, but it is really nice. It's like our college bag. We can put the even the big size note as well inside. It will fit many items. See the bottom part, it is really wide, and this material, it's really thick. I have used this kind of material for another bag, and even after washing the color doesn't go, it stays properly. And this thread, it looks like a hand stitching handmade thread all over the fabric. And this one has a silver color thread on top of it, so when the light comes it shines actually. And this is really thick, and the tag is also a thick fabric they have put it, and there is a some kind of stitching, so that will not go out at all. And here we can put some other keychain or something, so it will give another look as well. On top of it we can put it. So if you see now, it is shining with this silver color threads. So like this, when the light comes it shines, otherwise it's not visible. But this black and white combination, it's really nice. This is actually, it's not pure white, it is off white, like ivory color. uh, it's really nice. I like this. It is thick enough. I didn't expect this much quality for this price. It is really nice. And then normally if you buy outside, it will be very nice material, but inside that will not be that much great quality. But for this bag, inside is also very nice. This has that umbrella fabric, so even in rain, if you go out, small rain, it prevents, it will not no allow the water to come inside. So this is really nice. And there is a small pocket also inside, and one more pocket with a zip there. So I liked it, this I like this product. And then this is inside, if you see, it's nice, everything is nicely stitched, and you don't find the stitching at all. And the buttons, it all has a metal button only, and the original price is 699, so 70, I got it for 300 rupees only, 300 plus tax. and this is from DNMX brand, and I have already bought this brand jeans one, so that is really good quality. And the back side also, this is really thick, this one also, and it has a metal hook everywhere here as well as in the sides also. It has a hook, metal hook, and here the stitching you see, multi layer stitching they have put, so it will not come, even you can carry heavy weight as well. And here also they have put one extra fabric, and it will not come out. And this also, I think they have kept some sponge or something. This is really soft and thick, and here also on top of it they have put one lace material, a thick lace material, black and white combination. Even you can put it in the back side, and you can hold it on the hand also. And the quality you can see, even no, with your eyes itself, we can feel this. So when you touch it, it is a little rough and hard, so the quality is really good. And I like this product for gifting. You can buy and gift this kind of bag or purse as well. It comes for 150 rupees as well. I think you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.